remove the caliper. Vamos a remover la masa del freno. And we're gonna use the we're gonna need the 21. Vamos a necesitar la 21. We got both already out. Ya sacamos los dos tornillos. I'm gonna use this small bench right here. Voy a utilizar este banco por acá para poder acomodar mi caliper ahí. Okay. So I can put it right there. So I got him right, sit right on it. Vamos a remover esta tuerca con el dado 22. So we're going to remove this nut right here from the upper ball joint with the 22 millimeters. Okay, put that right there. What we're going to do is just we're going to kick right here. We're going to kick this part. We're going to use the hammer. I mean, what we're going to do is we're going to hit with the hammer right here on this side. Vamos a golpearle con el martillo acá. If you see what I did, it's I straightened up the steering wheel, so I put him straight. I'm gonna remove the rotor. Now I'm gonna remove the tie rod, the outer tie rod. I'm gonna use the 21 to remove the nut right here on the tie rod. Voy a utilizar la 22 para remover el tie rod. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna hit it with the hammer a couple times and it should pop right out. Vamos a golpearlo con el martillo un par de veces, unas cuantas veces, así tiene que salir. Okay, we got it out. Now we're gonna pull the what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the nut right here on the low ball joint. It should be right here on the bottom. Should be right here. So we're gonna use the let me see. We're gonna use the 24 on the bottom to remove the ball joint. Vamos a utilizar el número 24 para remover la tuerca de aquí abajo. I'm going to use the torch a little bit on the bottom. because that ball joint right there is too tight.
Two hours later.
Okay, now we're gonna hit it with the hammer. Okay, got it loose. Now we're gonna pull the CV axle. Now we got it out. Okay, now we got the ball joint right there. I'm gonna get some heat too. And we got it out. We're gonna remove the tie rod too. I'm gonna put some paint right there just to know what exactly I need to go far away. Okay, I'm gonna use the vice grip right here. Voy a use the other vice grip on this side. Voy a utilizar las pinzas de presión ahí en esa y voy a utilizar las otras acá en este lado. Okay. And I'm gonna use the torch. Voy a utilizar la torcha para calentar un poquito. Easy. So I use the torch, because the heat helps a lot to the metal, to expand metal, and the way that it expands, it releases the metal to metal, and then it will be easy to get it loose. So utilicé la torcha porque ayuda a que el metal se expanda. Cuando se expanda, entonces se separa de metal con metal y ayuda a que puedas aflojar la pieza más rápido, como en este caso. See, we got it loose now. Ya lo quitamos. We got the new ball joint in and the new tie rod. It's a 8 millimeters right here. Un número 8 acá arriba para apretar esta. Don't forget to put the washer first and then the nut. No olvides de poner la roldana y luego la tuerca. On the bottom, 24 en la parte de abajo. Don't forget to put the pin back on, the new one. No olvides poner el seguro de nuevo. Right here it's 36. I'm going to use the 36 over here. Vamos a utilizar la 36. Voy a poner el tie rod. El bracito, conectamos el bracito nuevamente. We'll install the nut. Should be, let's see, 22. Yeah, 22 right here on the bottom, 22 acá abajo. Okay, we're ready right there. Uh, 21 right here in the back, 21 acá. that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Gracias por ver el video. Nos vemos pronto.